Looks like we're gonna go to the second round. 4-rounder lang po itong mga to ha. Uy, counter. Down, nabilangan pa. Lito Badenas, good body. Good counter right straight. Wag manggigil kasi. Medyo nanggigigil eh, no? Yun, naka-counteran. Counteran. And there you go, nasaktan. Nasaktan. This could be over. I think that's it. I think tapos na to. Tapos.
Blue corner, wearing red with gold trim and weighing 126 pounds. Professional record, 2 losses from the Casio Feedbox Champ, Las Piñas City. Ladies and gentlemen, Nico Perez.
Nico Perez. Rash Campania ang kanyang coach.
Red corner, wearing a multi-colored pants and 129 pounds with a professional records of 1 win, 2 losses, 1 draw. From Arcidas Boxing Gym of Del Pan, Tondo, Manila, ladies and gentlemen, Lito Badenas.
Okay, here we go. So mga bata pa itong mga naglalaban, ano? Yung isa naghahanap ng panalo, isa gusto magdagdag. Nico Perez, 2 talo. Siya po yung gold and maroon. Hindi masyado makita against the light, but we'll try our best. Rush Campania ang kanyang ano. Si Lito Badenas naman, itong nasa red corner. So here we go. Denver Coelho and Arcelia Promotions partnership. Ako po si Pao Salud ng Pauco Sports. Thank you very much for Denver for inviting me here. Ako naman, kung maliit, malaki. Basta ma-invite pag available. We'll do our best. Kanina may baksang kagad na nangyari. Ngayon kaya Perez and Badenas. Puy! Malakas kagad yung right hand na yun ni Badenas ha. And walang ingat-ingat. And the 3-punch combination, malalakas. Good job follow-up. And they're swinging for the fences this early. Good body shot there by Perez. Badenas, tingnan natin ang kanyang balik dito. And the left hook. And ito si Perez throwing heavy shots. Pati yung jabs niya nakakasakit. Pero ingat siya doon ha. He needs to make sure that his defense is up also as well. Nakita ko na to si Badenas, may lakas din to. Dude, right hand, that's what I'm talking about. Tatlong balik. Pero minsan, yun ang problema. Yun ang sinasabi ko na sobrahan ng balik. Naiiwanan na open because malayo na yung kalaban eh. Sumusuntok pa rin. So, that's the thing. Now, ito na ngayon si Badenas, siyang babalik. Good left hook palit. Alam mo, minsan gusto yung maganda yung maraming suntok, pero dapat nasa tamang distansya ka. Pag medyo malayo at bumibitaw ka, doon you open yourself with a potential counter. Good body shot there by Badenas. Dito po yan sa Angono, no? Itong laban na ito, April 25. Siyempre nandito si Pao Salud promoting and supporting local boxing events. Mga baguhan po ito, no? Uy, good left. Pero parang wala. And there you go. Ito na si Badenas. Oh, right hand. Nagkakasakita na. So far nakakuha si Badenas ng timing. Perez. Perez trying his best talaga to attack. Looks like we're gonna go to the second round. 4-rounder lang po itong mga to ha. Uy, counter. knockdown, nabilangan pa. It's 10-8 round pa yun, sayang. That's an automatic 10-8 round for that knockdown. And Badenas ends this with an exclamation point. Sayang yun. Lusot na sana. Na knockdown pa. 10-8 na yun. Magandang tanghali po sa inyo lahat. I hope you're having a great day. Mapakainit ang panahon ngayon dito sa Pilipinas. So, I don't know kung kailan ko ma-upload to, but we're uploaded as is. Tingnan mo natin kung hindi ma-detect yung sound system dito kasi copyright tayo eh. Shoutout po, please share, like, and comment kung nanonood ka po dito at kung may boxing event dyan sa lugar ninyo. Good luck po. Alright, round number 2, action. Glad to be here. Thank you very much once again for supporting, kung nanonood ka dito, supporting itong ating mga batang mga boksingero. Ang magkalaban po si Perez, yung naka maroon with gold, at nagkatikipan na naman kagad, at si Badenas, Lito Badenas and Nico Perez. Nico Perez again trying to get that first win after 2 fights. Hanap pa rin siya. And sabi nga nila, hanggat lumalaban kami, pag-asa ka, pero na-knockdown siya. Medyo may pagka-reckless ng konti kasi no, ingat sa depensa. There you go. Depensa ang kailangan niya sa counter. 1. Mukhang Lito Badenas. Yan na, naririnig ko na si Rush. Uppercut, another one. Medyo mainit to, nakakapagod to para sa mga boxer. Kombinasyon. Good counter. Sa counter nakakaisa to si Badenas. Lito Badenas, good body, good counter, right straight. Wag manggigil kasi. Medyo nanggigigil eh, no? Yun, nakaka-counteran. And there you go, nasaktan. This could be over. I think that's it. I think tapos na to. And Lito Badenas wins this one. Na body shot niya eh. Medyo nanggigil kasi. Congratulations. Coach Munit. What a win for his fighter. Timing eh. Lamang sa timing. And he got this. Alright. That's it, guys.